Hey guys, welcome back to another Swift programming logic tutorial. Oh my god, it's not a Swift programming logic tutorial. I'm just going to be showing you guys how you can center a button and just use constraints in code. So in usually all of these videos I'll be making something in Storyboard and adding some constraints to Storyboard and then just linking it up from there. But in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can create a button and how you can center it in the view. So button constraint demo. Once again, I'm really bad at spelling, so I don't even know if that's how you spell it, but I'm just going to show you guys how to do it. So what we're going to do is not even go to main.storyboard. In the view.did.load, actually we should probably do this in the view.did.layout subviews, or view.did.layout subviews, just because this is when like the whole views have been initialized and it can actually it knows the dimensions, whereas view.did.load is actually, I think it's used at the start of a app launching, because the app launches all of the views, and this usually is also the constraints aren't quite right. So yeah, I'm just gonna create a UI button here. Let button equals UI button, and then we can give the button some constraints for the size and width. So like button.frame.size.width is, we can make this 200, and we can make the height 200 as well. And now to set it in the center, it's pretty simple. All you do is button.center equals self.view.center, and you have to add it to the subview. So view.add subview button, and we can also set the background color to something like red, just so we can actually see it. So if I run this now, we should have a button in the center of the screen. And if you're laying anything out, I'd recommend doing it in the view.did.layout subviews. And there we go. So here's our button, and it's right in the middle. And this button is basically like any button. So if we want to have button.text, actually no, you have to set title, and then we can have hello for .normal, and I think we have to set the text color as well. So it's set title color .blue, and for .normal. If you run it again, there we go. And yeah, so this is basically a normal button, and I'll make another video in the future about how you can constrain it to like a specific side. So if we go to Storyboard, so these are basically the constraints we've done. We usually tick these, and in a future tutorial I'll show you guys how you can set up these constraints. So yeah, that was a quick little tutorial on how you can create a button and center it, and you know, this can be used for any type of object. So if I just comment all of this out, and I do a label instead, so let label is equal to UI label, and then I just set the exact same thing. So label dot frame dot size dot, actually I could just copy these. Okay. Oh well, I'm so bad at copy and paste, but yeah. So okay, so label, and then if we just set the label's text, label.text equal to hello. I think it has the text color as default, so I'll just leave that, and then we can just view.add subview label. And basically once you get higher up, oh wait, actually we forgot to center it. How could I forget the most important part? Label.center equals self.view.center. So yeah, Wait, let me get rid of these size things. I have a feeling that that's affecting it. Oh, now it just doesn't exist. Okay, wait. I think this has got something to do with wow, I'm so bad at this. Okay. I'll just make these 50 each. But yeah, I think I'm not quite sure. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so I think the text is being aligned to the left side, which is probably what's causing it to go to the left. But basically, once you get higher up, you usually just create your apps in code, because it's a lot easier and a lot more efficient. Instead of constantly having to go to storyboard, this is loading. And when you have a big storyboard, that takes like a good few seconds to load. Since we have a really small one with only one view controller, which doesn't actually have anything in it, it takes like merely seconds. But if you have a large one, then it does take a really long time. So yeah, you just start using code, and it's a lot more efficient. So I might use code in a few of my future videos, a lot of the complicated ones. So yeah, see you guys in a future tutorial. Bye.